Yes, here.
Janvi, one look here.
Look at Janvi.
Thank you.
Janvi, here, please. Janvi, look here.
Janvi ji, look here.
Yeah, please. Yeah, Janvi, look here.
Thank you.
ये हमको काम करने दे रहे नहीं कुछ नहीं।
मैं सबसे पहले थैंक यू राहुल सर को बोलना चाहती हूँ। राहुल एंड दिव्या, आई थिंक उन्होंने सिर्फ जो मेरे लिए ही नहीं बल्कि आई थिंक व्हाट दे डन फॉर इंडियन फैशन हैज बीन सच अ बिग डील। एंड टुडे स्पेशली आज के शो में जिस तरह से उन्होंने मॉडर्न सिलुएट्स के साथ इतने सारे इंडियन टेक्सटाइल्स को मिक्स किए, आई थिंक इट्स सो इनोवेटिव, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड आई एम सो ऑनर्ड कि उन्होंने मुझे चुना इस रैम्प वॉक के लिए। आई थिंक दिस इज आवर थर्ड शो टुगेदर and I always feel my most confident when I walk for y'all, and I think that's because वो इतने प्यार से मुझे सजाते हैं, confidence देते हैं और उतने ही प्यार से उनकी सारी टीम के साथ भी रहते हैं। and I think that's so inspiring to watch, and so I'm so happy to associate with you all, and I hope it happens again and again. And of course you sir and your wonderful car and Lakme Fashion Week and FTCI. And you, who's been my biggest cheerleader for most of my shows, almost all of my shows, so thank you so much. And thank you to all of y'all. I think आपकी media hype के बिना मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाती है, असली confidence boost तो आप लोगों ने दिया है, so thank you so much. पता नहीं क्यों मैं acceptance speech दे रही हूँ, लंबा हो गया, but thank you.
जानवी एंट्री
एक चीज बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जब वो गाड़ी से उतरी तो दादा बोल रहे थे ई विटारा मारुति नेक्सा, बट लोग बोल रहे थे जानवी जानवी जानवी. So we're going to say both were the showstoppers of the show, but that doesn't mean that Divya and Rahul are the showstoppers. It was their creativity which was the showstopper. So thank you once again, Janvi. The entry was phenomenal, Dada. What you said, that entry, it was a young Marilyn Monroe walking with such confidence. Thank you very much.
चलिए बेस्ट शो जानवी जी
Rahul, you want to say something about your collection before we
थोड़ा देर रुको ना गाइस क्या वो शो बेस्ट शो या वन ऑफ द बेस्ट
And Janvi was stunning actually, the way
Always.
she came in the car actually, the e-Vitara. I think who was the showstopper, we were thinking Janvi or the car also, but I leave it to Rahul actually to decide who is the showstopper.
It was the car.
Oh, it's so nice of Janvi actually to say that. But
I
Janvi,
think it was their,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
was their voiceover. It was their voiceover.
कॉपीराइट यस कॉपीराइट
so I would like to also thank Jaspreet and Sedi Saab also for this wonderful association which we are having for the last 10 years. Nexa and I think the Lakme Fashion Week has been together for last 10 years.
No, you just.
The executive officer for marketing and sales for Nexa, and I think it's very, very important because it is because of them that we're able to put together Fashion Week the way that we have been over the years. But sir, I'll start with you. It would lovely to know about your association with Fashion Week for all these years, the new e-Vitara, and then I'd like to hear from Rahul about the collection and his association, and then of course what Janvi is wearing, we'd love to hear from you.
Yeah, I think good evening media friends. First of all, I would like to congratulate I think Lakme Fashion Week for conducting a fantastic I think fashion show, and thanks to Rahul Mishra also for putting on a fantastic show. One of the best shows I have.
जानवी जी कैसे हो जानवी जी जानवी मैडम जानू जानवी इधर स्माइल या ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल स्माइल जानवी जानवी जी यहाँ पर देखो वाह ब्यूटीफुल जानवी जी
I'm going to start now.
स्लोली इधर
Good
इधर
evening, everybody. Thank you for being here.
जानू
We have, of course,
सर एक आगे दे देना शिवा शिवा थोड़ा
जानवी लुक सेंटर कॅमेरा जानवी समोर
जान्हवी लुक here.
जानवी यहाँ देखो यहाँ
जान्हवी इधर जान्हवी
इकडे इकडे माझ्याकडे
जान्हवी ब्यूटीफुल
नाइस कॉन्सेप्ट
And also, you know, I've known Rahul for more than 10 years and Divya as well. So I have seen the progress. And you know, the fact that today they can do Indian couture, they can do breath, they can do diffuse.
हाथ मत छोड़ 1 second please sir please 1 second please
एक सेकंड गाइस थोड़ा रुक जाओ ना
उधर मत जाओ ये आ रहा है